having a mall day today. Kinsley's only wish was to go to the mall on Saturday.
So we're gonna spend the day at the mall. We got here right when they opened, so we could hopefully get ahead of nap time, because they're always more enjoyable when they're pre-nap or after nap. And then we're gonna, just hang out and maybe get a coffee.
Halala Land?
Yeah, maybe Lala. Do they not have like a ramp?
Here, mommy, let me muscle it. Now the question is, how do we get over this part? Why didn't they just make this part solid?
No. This mall was made in like, oh gosh, this mall.
Oh, watch. It rolls down.
Oh my god, this is so.
And then it goes up like that. And then we go down. Watch out, Sutton. She's so good.